Tonight I'll be speaking about fasting mimicking diets and interventions that affect the aging process. And so this conference is focused on aging and particularly on senescent cells and the molecular mechanisms of senescence. The idea for us and many others is to go after damaged cells and especially bring in stem cells and bring in rejuvenating processes. So we've been doing that with the fasting mimicking diet, and others have been using drugs or other interventions that can get rid of damaged components like senescent cells and then begin the process of rebuilding. We started with the genetics of aging, and my lab identified the TORA cis kinase pathway and its role in aging. Together with the discoveries of others, allowed us to know that aging could be regulated by genes and certain pathways. So that was very important, because before that, I think it was difficult for most people to appreciate that we could intervene. Once we knew that modifying a gene could make a mouse live longer and a yeast live 10 times longer, that was the discovery in our lab. I think it made it possible. It was clear that it was just a matter of time before we could do something about human aging. In the last 15, 20 years with the fasting mimicking diet, I think we have come up with something that people are doing right now. So there's a lot of exciting things coming up, maybe in the next 10, 20, 30 years. But I think the fasting mimicking diet is a reality right now. It affects things that everybody wants, like losing fat and not muscle, but at the same time is also causing multisystemic rejuvenation and regeneration. This is very clear in mice and rats, but it's also becoming clear in our human clinical trials. Now there are over 30 trials that have been completed on the fasting mimicking diet. Yeah, we were very excited about bringing this now, hopefully to the masses, right? And now we're talking to governments, US, Italian, Middle East. And so at some point it'd be nice to have this reimbursed. Yeah, I'm learning a lot. I mean, a lot of the speakers I know very well. I've known for a long time. So yeah, great to be here, and I think to hear some of the most innovative science on cellular senescence and on drugs and interventions that can reverse it. We are interested in sort of starting a movement, right, where people, now we have 75% of Americans are overweight and obese, and 60% of Europeans. So this is not a good direction, right? I think obesity is not even the major problem. Aging is the major problem. The movement has to do with bringing people back to the optimum health.